All right, good morning, everybody. So this is base weight video. I'm going to go over all the stuff that's going to be in my pack, base weight wise, so not including food and water. Tomorrow I start. I'm shooting for a 5:30 start. We'll see what happens. But I'm heading up to the Lincoln Woodstock area with mom and dad tonight. They're going to see me off, which will be cool. The weather for tomorrow does not look awesome, but after that, every day that I'll be out is going to be pretty sweet. They have good weather planned for us, or me rather. What else? Yeah, so I figure, whatever, first day of rain, right? I'll get it out of the way, get my crap day done, and the rest of it's going to be awesome. So the extended forecast is looking great. Obviously, that can change very quickly, and that's okay. So I'm excited. I'm amped. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. But let's get started going through my gear. So I'm going to flip you around. So we'll start right here. So my pack. This is a Hyperlight mountain gear. This guy here measures up to about 55 liters. Honestly, I kind of want a new pack because this one's a little big. But I have outfitted it with my Spot Gen 3, and I will be using that to track. Follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle, I will post in the comments. It's Maddie_Rocket. Oh, I'm sorry, Maddie_O'Brien. I don't know, I forget. Like I said, not a social media guy. I got a few compression straps I put on it. I did do some modifications to it as far as adding some front pockets. I added a water bottle pocket as well as a gear pocket here. And then, of course, my two hip belt pockets. That's going to make for easy access to mostly food, but also my water/filtration system as I go. So yeah, that's my pack. This came with me on the Appalachian Trail for my thru hike. I absolutely love that. I love Hyperlight as a company. They make an awesome product. So shout out to them. They're previously known as Cuban Fiber Packs, but they're Dyneema now. It's a waterproof bag, so pretty psyched about that. I am going to bring some poles. I tend to hike a bit faster with poles. I know a lot of ultralight guys don't use them because their bag's light enough they don't need them, but I like having them. So I'm doing the Black Diamond Alpine Carbon Corks. I just got them a little bit ago and I love them so far. Very comfy to use. Cheapo Walmart specials. I'm terrible with sunglasses. I always break them, so no sense in me getting expensive ones. So I'll have sunglasses with me. Water bottles. I've always been a big fan of the Smart water bottles. They fit my pack really well. They're cheap, nice rigid container, 1 liter a piece. Water filtration. So I've always been a Sawyer guy, and I still love the Sawyer, awesome product. But for this, I'm switching over to the Katadyn Be Free series. So this is the 0.6 liter one, which will be in my bottle pocket up front. It's going to be quick access, perfect for filtering, drinking on the go, always at the ready. I've played with it several times, love the product. It does a really good job. The flow rate is phenomenal, beats the pants off of anything else on the market. So good job, Katadyn. I am going to carry a 1 liter backup bag. If for any reason I am to pop this bag, I'd be completely screwed without a filter. Going to carry a backup. Also, it being 1 liter versus the 0.6, if I have a stretch with little water and I need to camel up for some reason, then I'll use it as a dromedary and just switch the cap. So all set there with water. What else? Kitchen. So I'm actually going to go full cook. I really thought long and hard about this as a decision. I tend to be somebody that does really, really well with hot food. So I'm going to go with my Mountain Laurel pot, a cloth, rubber bands to hold it all together, my lid, fuel can, Snow Peak Light Max, Sparker, and then my long handled titanium spoon. Take that everywhere. Trash bag here. Clothing. Got my rain layer, I got my puffy, I got a sleep shirt, sleep pants, sleep socks, extra pair of hiking socks, and then a Smart Wool beanie and a dry bag to keep it all safe. So that'll be good. Sleeping bag, obviously not compressed. This thing gets down tiny. Love this. It's new to me. So it's the Sea to Summit Spark SP2. They, again, another company does a great job. Wonderful product. Love it. 35-degree bag. And then I will be also bivvying. So with the bivvy and the bag, I should be warm enough, plus the clothing and the layers I have. So I'm anticipating that I'll be covered clothing-wise. My entire sleep system, so the bivvy, my sleeping pad, and my sleeping bag all fit in here nicely compressed into a tight little bundle, so that'll be in my pack together, which is great. My bivy, outdoor research, helium bivy, waterproof. We'll see how that goes. I don't love bivy camping, but you know what? It's a lot lighter. Point of this trip is light and fast, so we're gonna give it a whirl. Hope it works out. The weather looks great other than the first day, so not too worried. Pad, I am going with a sleeping pad. I definitely think that sleep is going to be critical in how this plays out. So I'm going with the Big Agnes Axle Air. It's an uninsulated pad. I believe it's early enough in the season that that's not going to be a huge issue for me. Still super comfy, crazy light. I did not do a good job of rolling this up. I'll pack it better before I go, but it gets down very, very small. Crazy light. I will also put out a spreadsheet somewhere on the internet as far as a table with all the weights of my gear and stuff like that. The bivy comes with a pole system to extend it over your face, make it a little more comfortable. I will bring that because I want some comfort here. Wipes, always a good thing to have. And then toothpaste and toothbrush. Unfortunately, I'm asthmatic, so there's the inhaler. Knife, iPod shuffle. Headlamp, I'm going with the Petzl Actix. It's a 300 lumen lamp, and I've got a rechargeable core battery for that. Some USBs for my electronics. Lithium-ion batteries, that's for the spot and for the headlamp. Just some simple earbuds there that will go along with my phone or my iPod just for some music. Leuco tape, gear repair, first aid, that kind of stuff. Love it. Zinc oxide adhesive tape. I would highly recommend it to anybody hiking. Great tool for blisters. So I've got 2 feet of that, which should be good. Those, I'm actually still debating stakes for the bivy just to stake out the corners of it. I've tried getting in and out of the bivy with and without stakes. Definitely makes it a little bit easier and holds it down so that when I'm tossing and turning, it's not as much of a hassle. So I don't know. I may ditch those. It would save me, 44 grams? So we'll see what happens. I don't know. Meds, I got earplugs just in case. Purell, just a little bit in there. My Goal Zero Flip 30, so that's good. That's a lot bigger than the battery that I usually carry, but I'm hoping to make a decent amount of content. Plus, I'm relying on my phone as a map / guidebook and water source kind of look ahead. So I need my phone to be alive for sure. So that's coming with me. I think that's totally worth it. And then, yeah, I need to do the contact game. So contacts and solution. Oh, I didn't put my glasses down here, but my glasses are coming obviously as a backup. Dry bag to keep that stuff in. And a fresh pair of Ultra Timps. Newer shoe to the line. Love them. Just a little bit more cushion than the Lone Peaks. Not quite as much tread, or not as good of a tread, I would say. But I think they make up for it in other areas, and they definitely have enough tread that I'm happy with. But more importantly, I really do appreciate the little bit of extra cushioning, so good job, Ultra. And I think that's it. So that's everything that's not food and water. I've got a box of food right there. So, let's see. Oh, base weight. It came out to 9 pounds, exactly 9 pounds. So all of this stuff here that I will be carrying that will help me, 9 pounds. And then food, it's a little complicated to get into now. I might make another video going into it, but we're looking at somewhere between 6,000 and 7,000 calories a day. Trying to get the calorie to weight ratio down pretty solid. I think I've got it to where I want it, and I'm excited for it. So I got some yummy treats that I'll have along the way. But other than that, I think I'm ready. I'm excited, and that's all my base weight stuff. So I'll put the weight and Twitter and Instagram stuff like that in the comments. So keep following along, and I'll put some more stuff out. Thanks.